Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a garage door vertical track. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your garage door opener. Then, secure the door in the open position using two C-clamps, one on each side, to prevent accidental closure. Always wear safety glasses and work gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Taking these precautions ensures a safe working environment for your project. Once safety measures are in place, you can begin removing the old vertical track. Start by loosening and removing the bolts or lag screws that secure the track to the garage wall. There are typically 3 to 4 fasteners along the track's length. Next, carefully disconnect the vertical track from its connection point with the horizontal track. Be mindful of the door's position and support it if it feels unstable during this step. Now it's time to install your new vertical track. Carefully position the new track, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the horizontal track and the rollers. Use new bolts or lag screws to secure the track firmly to the garage wall. Typically, you'll use 3 to 4 fasteners, spaced evenly. Use a level to ensure the track is perfectly plumb and maintain a consistent 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch gap between the track and the door frame. With the new vertical track securely in place, reconnect the horizontal track. Double-check all fasteners to ensure they are tight. Now, carefully remove the C-clamps that were securing the door. Reconnect your garage door opener and test the door's operation. Observe the door's movement for smoothness and proper alignment. Make any minor adjustments to the track's position if needed to ensure optimal performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.